Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make money online from Italy. So let's get started. So here we can see Italy have the thousand number of unemployed people and that can make money online. So the best way to make money online is through uh, by not investing and not having the capital. You can do freelancing. The freelancing is the best best freelancing website is Fiverr. So Fiverr is a marketplace where you can sell anything to the business owner and potential buyers. So what to sell? So here we can sell here social media manager services, video editing services, editing thumbnails, helping them to produce their YouTube intros, promos, ads, and slideshows. And you can just do image resizing, optimization, and document translation, and many other things that you can sell. So it's a very great platform to make money online. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.